Today, the construction landscape is shifting dramatically, driven by generative design, robotic construction, and sophisticated software algorithms. We are moving towards building information optimization, where computers generate optimal building designs based on rules, transforming the way we construct buildings. Traditionally, BIM involved manual data input and design, but now algorithms and robots are poised to revolutionize our approach, making tasks that took months possible in just a day. Most firms are still in the phase of gathering data manually, using BIM software primarily as if it were a conventional CAD program. AI has already shown prowess in music and art creation, but can it design buildings or construct structures? Our tools like Dynamo and Grasshopper are stepping stones towards this future. Imagine dynamic design iterations without the need for constant remodeling. Tools like FormIt and parametric modeling tools enable rapid design variations. As we embrace parametricism with BIM, our problem-solving capabilities increase, allowing for intuitive and easily editable designs. Algorithmic modeling leads to efficient furniture design optimized for production. Machines like CNC reduce costs and complexity in fabricating intricate designs. The cost of machine-produced elements versus traditional craftsmanship showcases the efficiency and integration of machines with skilled labor. Data waste is an issue, recreating data during the building life cycle. Interoperability tools and AI-driven solutions like Revit Excel add-ins aim to bridge these gaps. In the near future, software-agnostic cloud solutions might streamline information creation and manipulation, regardless of the originating software. Artificial intelligence in BIM is reshaping our industry, automating tasks and enhancing coordination. AI-driven automation tools like ImagineIt's Clarity transform mundane tasks, while innovative 3D coordination tools revolutionize the construction process. AI isn't limited to mundane tasks. It's revolutionizing analysis, design, and architectural optimization. Tools like DryTech Advanced BIM Designer Collection pave the way for design-driven reinforcement calculation, enabling high-efficient structures with less material. Imagine AI algorithms optimizing building designs based on various constraints, making our structures more sustainable and efficient. AI-driven tools like Optimio and Galapagos open avenues for optimized designs, considering factors like daylighting, glazing, and sustainability. Robots are changing the face of construction, performing tasks efficiently and accurately. From laying bricks to 3D printing, drones and masonry robots, automation is drastically impacting the construction landscape. The fusion of robotics, IoT, and construction promises an exciting future where machinery and drones collaborate seamlessly with humans. As we move forward, envision a world where construction becomes faster, safer, and more efficient through the collaborative efforts of humans and technology.